Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we will talk about the top 10 things that happen to your body when you walk. So before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to this channel for future updates. Simply place one foot in front of the other, bend your arms, and walk. Walking regularly provides amazing health and well-being benefits, and the good news is that we can get these benefits every day. Regular brisk walking can help you maintain a healthy weight, prevent or manage numerous ailments such as heart disease and high blood pressure, strengthen your bones and muscles, boost your mood, and enhance your balance and coordination, according to the Mayo Clinic. There are several methods to include more walking into your daily routine. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, pace while on the phone, leave the office and go for a quick walk during your lunch break, or get off your bus/train at a station sooner and walk the rest of the way. By walking, you can improve your circulation, improve your mood, lessen your chance of Alzheimer's disease, and live a longer, healthier life. Number 10. Your heart becomes healthier. Walking is the best type of exercise for people who are inactive and want to prevent cardiovascular disease. Experts in a study published in the journal Current Opinion Cardiology provided this information. If your body isn't used to strenuous workouts but you've been told to boost your physical activity, you can begin by taking regular walks. Lower blood pressure and a higher lipid profile are two direct benefits of this activity: cholesterol and triglycerides. As a result, your cardiovascular health may benefit in the long run. Walking on a regular basis lowers your risk of developing coronary artery disease and dying at an early age. Walking also strengthens your heart muscles and raises your heart rate. As a result, it can more efficiently pump blood and oxygen to your other organs. Number 9. Your brain gets a positive boost. Despite their depression diagnosis, women who walked for at least 200 minutes per week felt emotionally better, according to research published in the American Journal of Preventive Medicine. Walking made these women's bodies healthier, but the psychological benefits for someone suffering from depression were much larger, according to experts who followed their progress for 3 years. According to the World Health Organization, depression is expected to become a widespread global disorder by 2030, particularly in nations where individuals earn a greater income. As a result, encouraging people to exercise every day is more crucial than ever. Even though intensity walking provides significant mental health advantages, when you're outside, surrounded by trees and environment, your brain benefits from forest bathing, in which it does nothing but relax. A 20-minute walk in the park, woods, or forest also lowers cortisol levels in the brain, which is also known as the stress hormone, according to a study published in the Journal of Physiological Anthropology. Walking clears your mind, allowing you to think more clearly and positively. Number 8. Your lung capacity improves. As you inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide, walking helps your lungs to operate properly. When you walk, you take deeper breaths, allowing your body to use more oxygen and expel more carbon dioxide. Your lungs will utilize oxygen and carbon dioxide more efficiently if your body is already habituated to physical exertion. As your lung muscles continue to move, your circulation improves. This procedure improves your lung capacity, or how much air your lungs can take in. A nice walk will leave you out of breath or breathless, according to a study published in the journal Breathe, but this is not the same as being short of breath. When your lungs aren't working properly, the latter occurs. As you become older, your lung capacity and function deteriorate, resulting in increasing shortness of breath. If your body is acclimated to walking, though, it will work differently. Number 7. Your vision improves. Glaucoma is on the rise, with an estimated 111.8 million people aged 40 to 80 developing the disease by 2040. Controlling the risks of this disease, according to the American Academy of Ophthalmology, entails the same methods as preventing diabetes. Maintaining a positive and helpful physical activity such as walking is one of these approaches. According to experts, taking regular walks can reduce your risk of developing glaucoma by up to 73%. Every time you go for a walk you can change the flow and pressure of blood around your eyes. You won't risk having blood vessels burst and inflicting harm to your eyes because this activity keeps your blood pressure at a normal level. As a result, you keep your eyesight healthy and avoid vision loss. Number 6. Your digestion improves. Walking, according to a study on gastrointestinal liver disease by a group of German experts, may help digestion by speeding up how food moves through the stomach. So, instead of settling down to watch television after a large dinner, you can choose to rest for 20 minutes and then go for a walk around your neighborhood. If you don't want to go for a walk outside, attempt pacing on the treadmill while keeping the speed low. You shouldn't go for a long stroll, move swiftly, or burn more calories during this activity because you can get indigestion. Additionally, if you're suffering from constipation, a decent stroll may help you feel better. This movement helps to strengthen the muscles in your intestines so you don't have to strain to relieve yourself. The elimination of pollutants will help make your digestive tract healthier. Number 5. Your pancreas improves its efficiency. The pancreas, which is located in the abdomen, is essential to the digestive system. The enzymes, hormones, and insulin that break down the food you eat are produced by this organ. Low-intensity walks, according to the journal Diabetes, Metabolic Syndrome, and Obesity, improve the efficiency of the pancreas, which improves your body's metabolism and insulin production. As a result, your chances of getting diabetes and other metabolic problems are reduced. Number 4. Your blood sugar levels are out of whack. After a substantial meal, go for a 20-minute stroll to assist your body balance its blood sugar. According to a study published in Diabetes Care, taking brief walks after your last meal of the day is even better than going for a 45-minute walk in the morning. Walking consumes energy as it works up the muscles, thus the body clears glucose from the bloodstream. This is how some diabetics are able to keep their disease under control. The study focused on older persons with diabetes, weight and obesity issues, or who lead a sedentary lifestyle. Your body grows increasingly resistant to insulin production as you get older. Your pancreas will also not operate as well as it did when you were younger. This gives your system a double whammy. Later in the day, your body's insulin production tends to decrease. After a large meal, your digestive system suffers. As a result, if you don't walk it off, you can wind up sleeping with a high blood sugar level in your bloodstream. Number 3. You are no longer bothered by lower back pain. If you have lower back discomfort, you should avoid running or doing high-impact exercises because these activities may aggravate your problem. However, if you walk on a regular basis, you will still obtain the recommended amount of physical activity. You'll also be able to boost your blood circulation, particularly around the spinal structure, at the same time. When blood flows freely across your spine, it becomes more flexible. As a result, if you stick to a regular walking plan, you'll notice a difference in your lower back pain. In fact, specialists from a research published in Disability Rehabilitation suggest that persons with chronic low back pain go for a stroll. Number 2. Your muscles will be toned. Walking, obviously, has an effect on your leg muscles. However, because this practice is not strenuous, you will not have muscular soreness and will be able to repeat the routine the next day. However, as you maintain your pace and the intensity of your walks, you may eventually be able to incorporate additional intervals or take various routes that require you to walk uphill or climb stairs. This is how you can make your legs stronger and more toned. Muscle toning is beneficial if you want to lose weight and improve your physical appearance. Number 1. You strengthen your bones and joints. Weight-bearing workouts, such as walking, strain your bones and joints to move against gravity, according to the National Institutes of Health. As a result, your bones and joints get stronger. When your bones and joints are stronger, you lower your chances of fractures, immobility, and bone loss, all of which are common as you become older. If you have joint stiffness or inflammation, the Arthritis Foundation recommends walking on a regular basis. Walking, like lower back pain, improves blood circulation in your joints, which helps to alleviate discomfort. Now that you're aware of the benefits of taking a daily 20-minute walk, you should make it a goal to incorporate this little exercise into your daily routine. There are numerous methods to integrate walking into your everyday routine. Instead of sitting down meetings, you could choose to arrange walking meetings with your co-worker. During your lunch breaks, you may perhaps go for a walk. Consider walking your errands instead of driving or taking public transportation. Make walking a family activity by bringing your partner, kids, and dog. Every day, invite a group of friends to join you on a walk. What do you think of this video? Do let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.